The Eurobrick X-Clad system offers a smart, efficient alternative to traditional brickwork, combining the aesthetic of real brick with lightweight, insulated cladding technology. At the heart of this system is the backer panel, a high-density board that acts as the foundation for the entire installation. Installing the backer panel begins with a well-prepared surface. The structure must be clean, dry, and structurally sound, providing a solid base for what comes next. 2. Ensure durability and long-term performance. A breathable waterproof membrane is often applied to the wall. This layer adds essential protection against moisture ingress, especially in exposed environments. The backer panels themselves are precision-engineered to provide both insulation and structural stability. Designed for easy handling, these panels are fixed mechanically using stainless steel screws and washers. Whether mounted directly onto masonry or onto vertical timber battens, alignment is key. Laser levels and straight edges help maintain an even, consistent surface, essential for the next stages of brick slip application. Each panel is installed with a narrow expansion gap to accommodate thermal movement, and joints are staggered to improve structural integrity. Panels can be easily cut to fit around openings or edges, with all exposed surfaces sealed to preserve waterproofing. Once secured in place, the backer panel transforms a plain substrate into a ready-to-clad surface. It provides the flat, insulated base necessary for the adhesive and brick slips that follow. The result is a robust and adaptable system that meets modern performance standards while delivering a timeless brick finish. Eurobrick's X-Clad system streamlines brickwork for today's construction challenges. Fast, efficient, and built to last. Introducing the Falzsid Attika-Sheet, Closer Vario 3.0, a groundbreaking innovation in edge flashing and parapet closure systems. Engineered for modern flat roof applications, the Vario 3.0 offers a sleek, flexible, and weather-resistant solution for sealing parapet terminations with precision and reliability. What sets the Closer Vario 3.0 apart is its adjustable design. Built with a multi-layered, pre-folded aluminum composite, it adapts easily to varying wall heights and angles, ensuring a snug fit on both new builds and retrofits. Its spring-loaded edge and telescopic adjustment allow for thermal expansion and contraction without compromising waterproof integrity. Installation is clean and efficient. The Vario 3.0 locks securely into place along the top of the parapet using concealed brackets, eliminating visible screws or puncture points. This not only enhances aesthetics, but prevents moisture ingress, a common failure point in traditional edge. Details: the Attika-Sheet comes pre-coated in UV-resistant finishes and is available in multiple REL colors to match any facade. It integrates seamlessly with roofing membranes, facade cladding, or zinc titanium flashings. With the Closer Vario 3.0, Falzsid redefines parapet closure, maintenance-free, architecturally clean, and built for the future of roofing technology. Introducing the Arrowlift Failsafe house lifting system, a revolutionary advancement in structural elevation technology. Designed for flood-prone zones, foundation repairs, and major remodeling projects, Arrowlift redefines how entire buildings are safely and precisely lifted. What sets Arrowlift apart is its fail-safe engineering. Traditional house lifting methods often rely on manual coordination, susceptible to uneven pressure and structural stress. Arrowlift replaces this with a fully synchronized hydraulic control system that delivers uniform lift distribution across all points, regardless of building weight or layout complexity. At the heart of the system are precision hydraulic jacks, strategically placed and operated via a central control unit. Each jack is equipped with real-time pressure sensors and leveling feedback, ensuring perfectly synchronized motion and immediate response to any imbalance. This not only protects the structure from torsion and cracking, but also enhances worker safety. The system's modular frame design adapts to various foundation types, whether slab-on-grade, crawl spaces, or piers. It can be assembled rapidly on-site, minimizing prep time and disruption. The Arrowlift system also incorporates redundant safety locks, which automatically engage at set intervals, creating a physical backup in the unlikely event of hydraulic failure. Once the lift is complete, crews can work confidently beneath a stabilized structure, whether pouring a new foundation, installing flood mitigation systems, or expanding the subfloor. Compact, precise, and incredibly strong, the Arrowlift Failsafe house lifting system gives contractors the power to lift with confidence, preserving homes, protecting investments, and raising the standard for what's possible in structural elevation. Arrowlift, when precision and safety come first. Meet the Pavimak Mini Pavi, a compact powerhouse revolutionizing the way we lay concrete blocks and paving stones. Designed for precision, speed, and efficiency, the Mini Pavi is a mechanized paver installation system, ideal for small to medium construction projects. Despite its compact size, this machine performs with industrial strength, reducing manual labor and increasing output exponentially. At the heart of the Mini Pavi is its vacuum lifting technology, which allows it to lift and place concrete pavers or tiles with millimeter accuracy. It reduces the risk of damage to materials and virtually eliminates physical strain on workers. This is a game changer for urban paving, landscaping, and municipal maintenance. What sets the Mini Pavi apart is its smart clamping system. It automatically adjusts to various paver sizes and thicknesses without the need for retooling. With its easy-to-use joystick controls and 360-degree maneuverability, even tight corners or curved patterns are installed flawlessly. Compact enough to be transported in a van or trailer, yet robust enough to work all day. The Mini Pavi is powered by a reliable, low-emission engine, making it eco-conscious and efficient. Contractors using the Mini Pavi report up to 70% faster installation times, with a drastic reduction in worker fatigue and job site injuries. It's built not just to pave, but to redefine how paving is done. If you're in construction, landscaping, or municipal works, the Pavimak Mini Pavi isn't just a tool, it's a smarter way to build. Smaller size, bigger impact. That's the Pavimak Mini Pavi. Introducing the Bullfrog Trac II, a rugged, all-terrain tracked carrier built to conquer the toughest job sites with ease, power, and versatility. The Trac II is engineered for material handling in extreme environments, from muddy construction zones to steep, uneven terrain. This isn't just a hauler. It's a compact, go-anywhere, do-anything machine that carries your load when no truck or wheelbarrow can. Its durable rubber tracks provide unbeatable traction and low ground pressure, allowing it to glide over soft surfaces without sinking or leaving deep ruts. With zero-turn maneuverability, it navigates tight areas that larger machines can't even approach. Powered by a high-torque commercial-grade engine, the Trac II handles heavy payloads with ease, up to 2,500 pounds depending on the configuration. Whether you're hauling gravel, bricks, soil, or construction debris, the Trac II cuts down your labor time while improving job site safety. What makes the Bullfrog Trac II truly special is its modular dump bed design. It can be fitted with a standard box, a flatbed, or even a powered dump bed for quick unloading. The controls are simple and intuitive, meaning any crew member can learn to operate it within minutes. Despite its industrial muscle, the Trac II remains compact and transportable, fitting easily on a small trailer or pickup truck bed. It's perfect for urban construction, landscaping, utility work, and even emergency response. Built in the USA and designed for real-world toughness, the Bullfrog Trac II is more than a machine. It's your worksite companion, built to take the load off your shoulders. Go where wheels can't. Carry what hands shouldn't. That's the Bullfrog Trac II. Imagine concrete that arrives in a roll. Just add water and it hardens in hours. Meet concrete canvas, a revolutionary material that's changing how we build. Concrete canvas is a flexible, cement-impregnated fabric that can be laid down like carpet. Once hydrated, it sets into a durable, waterproof, and fire-resistant concrete layer. It combines the speed and ease of fabric with the strength and longevity of concrete. This innovation is perfect for rapid deployment in construction, civil engineering, military, and emergency applications. From ditch lining and slope protection to culvert repair and retaining walls, concrete canvas is a go-to solution where traditional methods would be too slow or costly. Lightweight and easy to handle, One person can deploy a roll without heavy machinery. It conforms to ground contours, eliminating the need for extensive shaping or framework. Simply unroll it, secure it, hydrate it with water, and within 24 hours, you have a hardened concrete shell. It's available in different thicknesses and can be installed up to 10 times faster than poured or sprayed concrete. Plus, it dramatically reduces the carbon footprint, using up to 95% less material for the same job. Highly resistant to erosion, UV, and weathering, concrete canvas lasts for decades in the field with minimal maintenance. It's also ideal for remote or hard-to-access areas, where transporting wet concrete is impractical. Whether it's for emergency flood defenses or long-term infrastructure, concrete canvas brings speed, efficiency, and durability to the job site like never before. Roll it, wet it, forget it. That's the magic of concrete canvas.